Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Cool Duo by CellAllure, okay? So Cool Duo by CellAllure, it's a really nice, very sleek, slim, lightweight phone that I really like. It comes in black and gold. It has a 5.5 inch screen. It runs off the Android operating system, micro SD slot, dual SIM cards. It has a front and backward facing camera. The back camera is a dual camera. It's just really nice. Unlock phone. Works on GSM services. This is the back of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the gold CellAllure phone. So really just either side open it. Just slide it off the top there. When you open it, it should look like this. Nice Cool Duo. First thing I noticed when I took out the phone is that it has the silicone case with it. It's really nice. So it already comes with the silicone case. Very, like I said, sleek design. Very lightweight. So the top has the SD charging or micro charging slot and the headphone jack. Then you have your volume up and down, your unlock, and it has a sticker on it. I'm gonna go ahead, pop open the back. So like all CellAllure phones, has a little slot for you to pop open. So that's what we're gonna do. These phones are very durable, so I really like the fact that we can just pop them off without worrying. So it does come with, like I said, dual SIM cards, also the SD slot to slide in a micro SD card. This phone can hold an SD card that holds up to 64 gigs, which is really nice. Than previously was 32, so I like that upgrade. That's what it looks like in the back. All right, just so you know that. As we continue to open the box, all right, it has headphones. It comes with the charging cable and the adapter, the battery. So it comes with the extra screen protector. So on these phone, it already has a screen protector on it, so it comes with the extra one. Then the warranty information and the instructions. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and slide the sticker off and try not to pull off the screen protector here. So I think I pulled up the screen protector a little bit, but those is a nice resolution. All right, we're gonna put the battery in. Has the arrow pointing up, so you know where to go. CellAllure logo on it. So we'll just pop that in here, like so, and then pop this right back on. I love these backs, they're so durable. Pop into place with no issues, okay? We're gonna go ahead and turn the phone on. So it has a nice little CellAllure logo, the Android at the bottom. It comes up. I like the brightness of the screen. Something really nice. And then it should come to the startup screen. I'm gonna just do like a quick start here, skip through everything, just so we can see what is on the phone itself. Okay, so let's come up here. takes a few seconds. This is very, very lightweight. Very, very light. I like the light feeling. The sleek design is very nice. Was designed here in the United States. So it has the nice little Google background. When you do the drop down screen, has the normal, you can adjust the brightness and all of that. And then if you hit this has the one with the arrow, and you have your little apps on here, which is very, very nice. I hit the settings, like so. Oh, it's because my hand is on it. Oh, the settings. You have a few things there. You can check the storage. What I like about this is the storage. We still have